Good morning, everybody. Roland doesn't look too cold out there, does he? Because the temperatures are actually up another 10 degrees, almost 60 degrees. So we started off in the upper 30s on Monday morning. So yes, that's a bit of a warming trend. The temperatures will be fairly mild today, getting up into the 70s, but then things start really changing really fast. Here are the forecast highs today. Yeah, fairly comfortable, but by the time we get to Thursday, it's going to be very different. All of these counties that you see in red, we're under a red flag warning. That's pretty much everybody in deep South Texas. Red flag warning means very high winds and very low humidities. And so a fire could start on you and it's going to be very hard to control. So for those of you that are out at the ranch or out in oil patch, be very cautious with anything that looks like an open flame as the winds are going to be a problem. Up in North Texas right here, that's a winter storm advisory, and all of West Texas is under the high wind advisory because of a very potent storm that's rolling through. Now here you see the clouds beginning to thicken up over the area. These will get thicker and thicker. We'll start off with maybe a little drizzle. But tonight, when this fast-moving storm right here starts rolling down through our area, is when things get real complicated. So watch this. We start at 5 a.m. We have clouds. Then we go to 5 p.m. and you can see how front number one starts getting real close to us and showers begin to develop out there, light rain along the coast. Then we go into Thursday morning and the front blows through the area right about there. About 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning, and then the winds shift around and we're going to develop a very potent little storm right about here. This is a winter storm, and you can see there's going to be ice and snow through that area of the world. For us, we're on the dry side of it, and we're going to get that 30, 40 mile an hour wind blowing through our area as that storm gathers. Now, if you're driving or flying to Dallas, boy, that's going to be tough. Now, when is this? This is Thursday. By Friday, that storm does begin to pull away and things will settle down, but it's a winter storm that's going to develop over Texas and affect a lot of people up there especially. So, here's an incredible video. That's the snow over the Carolinas that fell over the last couple of days as taken from space. So that's a photograph of the snow over the mountain areas, and that's exactly where it happened. But, you know, while that may look pretty, this actually is a kind of a disaster here. The temperatures are now out for 2018 for the Arctic, and the temperatures are rising twice as fast as in the rest of the world. You're thinking, well, what do I care? It's just ice up there. No, it is worldwide. This is global effects of climate change, and because we just pollute every day and we haven't stopped polluting, so now the atmosphere is so warm in the Arctic that the caribou population, the moose, they're 50% of what we used to have. So it's a serious problem, and I'm not going to stop crying about it. Anyway, cloudy, rain tonight, big wind coming in, red flag warning, then clearing on Friday, a little cooler, but at least it'll be clear this weekend. Your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy.